Samsung have just launched a brand new phone, the Galaxy S25FE. It is a slimmer phone, it's a smaller phone, but interestingly, it's got a bigger battery than the previous S24FE. It is 7% slimmer than last time. It is 11% lighter, and the price starts at $649, so it's more reasonably priced than the regular S25, but there are some differences, including the chipset. But to make sure the phone runs really smoothly, they have increased the vapor cooling chamber size compared to the S24FE by 13%. The screen glass front and back is Victus 2. The charging speeds have increased as well, from 35 watts on the S24FE up to 45 watts. Also, the wireless charging is now up to 15 watts. And this is one of the first Samsung devices to actually ship with One UI 8. The metal used on the frame is Armor aluminium and is still sealed up to meet the IP68 dust and water resistance rating. The display used is of course a Samsung AMOLED, 60Hz to 120Hz. This one isn't an LTPO like the regular S25, so that's one of the reasons why it's a bit cheaper, but it is bright at 1900 nits. It is a full HD panel, which to be honest on a screen this size is perfectly good enough for the majority of people. I wish it did have that anti-reflective display like the S25 Ultra, but I think Samsung kind of keep that for their top tier flagship models. And because it is One UI 8 out of the box, you get all of the AI features like the generative fill, the generative edits, and all of the art illustration things that can generate pictures from photos, and you can just draw on images to add things. And some of you might not realize this, but quantum computing is coming soon, and it does open up the door to potential hacking of pretty much everything, but I'm told probably not Samsung devices, because they have post-quantum computing security on the devices. And the S25FE does have some decent cameras as well. It's got a 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 50 megapixel primary, and an 8 megapixel tele. The selfie camera has increased by 20% in comparison to the S24FE. This is how that looks. And if you do decide to pick up an S25FE, you do get the 7-year security updates and software updates, which is kind of class leading when it comes to that kind of thing. And it does mean the phone will be usable 7 years from today. So 2032, you can still be rocking the Galaxy S25FE if you wanted to. When it comes to the color options, there are 4. There's white, icy blue, navy blue, and black. First impressions, I think I'd probably go for the black one or the navy. But yeah, you should have a look at them yourself before picking one up. If you do want to check out the prices and the deals, check the description below. And there's also a Galaxy Tab S11 series that has just launched. I'll be covering that on the channel as well. If those videos are already live, they'll be linked below. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.